Hey guys, welcome to the JeepSolid Garage. So today I'm excited to introduce you guys to the Novawinch Pro9500SR. This was given to me by Novawinch to do a review and installation for you. And honestly, I've had this on here for a few weeks and I'm pretty impressed. This is a nice winch. I've been able to use it in a few different situations and it's really easy to use and easy to install. So let's talk about some of its features. So the winch weighs in at 63 pounds and this is the SR 9500, SR standing for synthetic rope. 9500, it has a capacity of 9,500 pounds. It has a sealed 6 horsepower motor and it delivers a quick but safe 52 feet per minute line speed at a low 50 amp draw. It has a 360 amp full load current, which is the lowest in the industry. Obviously, it's completely sealed gearbox and drum to keep all of the elements out. It has a double lock 100% load holding brake and it's designed to provide zero drag on the cable in. And it's located on the gearbox away from the drum to eliminate heat transfer to the synthetic rope. The gearbox on top is convertible for diverse mounting needs. It has a nice powder coating and the handheld switch, it has a nice long tether of 12.8 feet. And Novawinch has actually been in the winch industry for decades, so they're not new at this. So I'm gonna take you guys through the installation. It was actually really easy. Let's do that real quick and at the end we'll do a demonstration. Now installation is actually fairly easy. We have our winch ready, bumper with 4 mounting holes here for our winch. So we'll just set the base of the winch right on top of that. And it comes with our grade 8 bolts to mount it up. So let's get these 4 in. And this part is really difficult to show on camera. So obviously I have the winch off of the bumper here, but I just wanted to show you where this mounts up. We've got our 5/8 inch nut here, goes inside the little slot there. And our bolt, lock washer, and fender washer mount on the bottom here. So let's take this back out and mount it onto the bumper. All right, that was fairly simple. It's securely mounted now. So let's move on to the wiring. Now I'm going to take the negative and positive cables and run them underneath the grill here, up on the inside, keeping it away from the radiator and anything hot, all along the side here to the battery, keeping it away from all moving parts and other electrical devices. Now with that, we can finish hooking up the electrical here. We're gonna hook up the positive terminal here, the red wire first. And one thing I actually noticed about the wiring here, these are nice heavy gauge wires. They did not skimp on the wiring on this. That is a good thing. I actually changed my mind at which one I was gonna use. I'm gonna use this guy back here. All right, that looks great. So the installation, super easy, and I gotta admit, it looks really cool. I like how it looks on this Jeep. So what do you say we go test it out? that'll definitely get me out of some sticky situations. So be sure to check out Novawinch's website. It's linked in the description below. Thank you guys so much for watching and have a good day. I don't know where to throw my hat.